On euro dollar for today, euro dollar has been in this aggressive buy momentum this week. We expect it to continue after it corrects for a while. We expect it to continue similar to the correction they gave us here, before they continue with the buy momentum. So we expect a correction to come through for that resumption. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on euro dollar, on the 4-hour time frame, we see they give us this flat here where they resume this climb. So want for watch for a bigger flat and then a continuation of the buy momentum. We also zoom to 1-hour time frame. We see on the 1-hour time frame that there's divergence between the tops on the chart and the tops on the MACD, which tells us that after this climb, that bigger correction will come through for us to the downside before it will resume climbing. So we want to watch out for signs of that correction when it's about to start. On pound dollar for today, pound dollar has yesterday gave a deep correction of this climb both sides. So today we want to watch to see if it will resume the climb to give us this as a flat structure, or we'll see if one more drop will come through. We zoom to 4-hour time frame of pound dollar. On the 4-hour time frame, we are looking at this right now as a potential running flat for this to come back upside, tag this top. So we want to watch to see if this will give us a buy today for this climb upside back here, before we then see both of them are making a running flat for one more retest downside. So I want to watch out for this buy opportunity today. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame on pound dollar, on the 1-hour time frame, this is really looking like a correction for more drops. So we have to watch it spike up and correct for us to get into. On Aussie dollar for today, Aussie dollar is still in this aggressive pullback to the downside, and it is yet to start the buy to the upside that we expect. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame to continue to look at this, on the 4-hour time frame, you see that there is divergence between the lows here and the lows on the chart, which confirms that the buys we are looking for will soon come true for us. We are looking for buys on euro, on Aussie dollar. So if it continues to drop, we ignore the sales. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on Aussie dollar. On the 1 hour, at present, this looks like a correction for one more drop. Interested in the pullback up and correction to give us buys to the upside. That's what we are looking for on Aussie dollar. If we continue to drop, we ignore. So you see once more with the divergence here that this up move will soon start. On New Zealand dollar for today, New Zealand dollar is still dropping downside. Although we expect it to start an up momentum to make this a running flat before it will drop to tag this low. But this buy is yet to surface. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on New Zealand dollar, on the 4-hour time frame, they give this correction, this flat correction, and dropped down. So we want to watch with this divergence to see here and here. We want to watch them give us buy upside. We expect this to give us an up move that will make this a running flat before it will drop much more to the downside towards the daily low. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on New Zealand dollar. On the 1-hour time frame, we want to look out. This can make this a running flat drop once more before giving us the buy momentum upside we are looking for. On dollar Swiss for today, dollar Swiss is still dropping. We expect more drops downside that will complete this running flat before it will reverse and restart back the buy momentum. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar Swiss, on the 4-hour time frame, we saw that they gave us this big running flat here and they are dropping. Right now, I want to watch them drop towards the 9.7 level, ideally, before they reverse back upside to resume the buy momentum up and make this a running flat. So I want to look out for that as it develops today. We zoom to the 1-hour time frame on dollar Swiss. On the 1 hour, we already see that there is divergence here at present between these lows and these lows, which tells us that once this drops down a bit more, it will reverse back upside with buy. So expect this to drop today to the 9.7 level, 0.97 level. So On dollar yen for today, dollar yen is in this, they gave us this aggressive pullback downside, and right now they are attempting to give us a corrective structure, a flat correction on this trend line before they resume the drop downside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on dollar yen, on the 4-hour time frame, we saw this spike upsides as the A wave. Right now they are dropping for B wave. We expect them to drop, tag this low and reverse back upside, complete this flat and give us more sales to the downside. So we want to watch out for that. We zoom to 1-hour time frame on dollar yen. On the 1-hour time frame, we want to look out for this. We expect this to drop, tag this low, and then we watch this trend line. We expect it to break through here to give us C wave before more sales will come through to the downside. So we want to look out for those today as they develop. On dollar yen for today. So watch out for. On dollar card for today, dollar card gave us the buy momentum yesterday that we expected. So we expect more of this to come through after corrections to tag this top before we see if they reverse from that top level to give us sales to the downside. So we want to watch for more buys today on dollar card. If we zoom to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame on dollar card, we expect at present this up spike, we expect it to correct here a bit for it to resume the buy for us. We expect more buys to come through today on dollar card. So we want to watch out for that. Although we are also aware that this can give us A, B, C here, but it's unlikely for it to resume back that climb. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, we want to watch for that correction to start for it to resume this buy momentum upside.